What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, guys, it's a little bit of unfortunate news and something that I really didn't want to be making a video about because it's really frustrating for me because I literally just bought it and it said it had 75% more life capacity than a regular twin disc. So you guys can probably guess my DKM twin disc clutch did blow up on me. Yep, you heard that correctly. My DKM twin disc clutch blew up on me. I was making under the probably about 250 horsepower under the recommended rating for this clutch, and I was still able to blow it up, which is really blows my mind like how this happened, and I'm really frustrated because it was a $2,500 clutch Canadian, for you guys like $1,600 American, but there's a lot of money, and this clutch was supposed to be a really well clutch, and it was. When I was driving before it blew up, the clutch, I had no complaints. I actually really enjoyed the clutch. But then out of nowhere, when I started to launch my car more often now, I guess the clutch didn't like that, and it just said, "Screw you, Dujo," and just gave up on me. So I'm currently at the shop right now. Erwin dropped the transmission. He figured out that the clutch blew up, and we're currently just looking at it. As you can see, Erwin dropped the transmission and the clutch. There's the DKM, guys. Literally pieces coming off the flywheel. G6, my transmission. Really unsatisfied with DKM, and clutch has been in my car for less than 6 months. Alright guys, so update. I just got off the phone with one of our suppliers, and I did actually just order an 8-inch sprung ceramic twin disc XClutch from JRP. So basically that's the clutch that Erwin originally went with. He had it at home because he's getting his build all sorted together out right now. He's just waiting for his engine from the machine shop. But Erwin did me a huge favor, and he's giving me, not really giving me, he's giving me his XClutch 8-inch sprung ceramic twin disc, and I'm gonna do the swap directly with that clutch into my transmission. And I just ordered the same clutch right now for Erwin, and it should be in soon for when he puts his build back together. Can you explain what happened to the guys that want to know?
Yeah, guys, so as you can see, Giordano blew up one of his friction discs. That's not easy to do, guys. Pressure plates. Here we have the side-by-side comparison of
The XClutch and the DKM pressure plate. As you can
so
tell,
this is an 8-inch ceramic. This is a 9-inch organic disc.
DKM went with a little more rotor kind of style disc compared to the 3-pad that XClutch went with.
It's our sprung, guys. So we did go with a sprung disc. And hopefully this XClutch is going to hold up a lot better.
Off tightening the bolts right now. It's just the flywheel you're putting in?
Yeah.
Erwin got it all polished up. Make sure you do not touch.
No grease, no oil.
There's no grease or oil on it. Really important. And you guys can see we got everything laid out down here. What's going in, boys? I wish I was a little bit more excited, but I'm out with a couple grand, so not really that exciting putting this really nice clutch in right now. Beautiful clutch, actually. Thanks again to this guy right here, guys, for coming through with the XClutch, having it on standby for me.
Of course, anytime. We're going to use this aftermarket throw bearing because it's a lot better than the original one. If you can see, guys, the original one, it's all plastic. The XClutch comes with a very strong metal.
So you're going to keep the original pipe bearing, you're going to change out the throw bearing? Okay.
Yep.
Good. Erwin's using his new torque wrench, guys. Electronic. Snap on, boys.
We're torquing them to 92 foot-pounds. A little bit of blue Loctite on there. If you're using an extension, make sure to make up for it because there is a little bit of torque loss in that. It's good for building engines because it has that torque to yield feature. So you can torque to like 90 pounds and then go another 100 degrees or like 180 degrees like a lot of aluminum bolts in German cars have. You got to yield them after you torque them. So like you go to 90 pounds and then you have to go all the way around.
EKM's in. I don't know.
DK, yeah.
Oh, I mean, EKM is out. Erwin's just Loctiting some of the bolts. Purple looks nice.
There. It's not a big deal.
So, Erwin got the clutch and flywheel in now, and gotta get that big boy over there still in. Get her filled up with some fluid. Stop scraping it on the ground.
She's already filled with fresh molly.
Fresh molly?
Fresh molly.
What was I leaking out that time then?
Oh, that's oil, but that was from your shifter seal. Do you see the oil seal where the shifter is? Where the shifter goes into the gearbox?
Yeah. Or that piece of crap.
Install this yourself.
That thing. Alright guys, so Erwin's just getting that
Clutch dust out.
that twin diskin.
I've heard that too many times.
Getting all that clutch dust out of there. Just making sure the release bearings.
Throw.
Make sure you get all that clutch dust, guys, and gonna get that twin diskin.
Yo, enough. Enough twin diskin.
Gonna get that
Yo, here, let me hear that one more time.
Gonna get that Getting railed, man.
Trends in, guys. We got some red line. ATF, manual transmission fluid, or automatic. Just make sure the specification is the BMW LT3 transmission oil, which that meets the standards of. Nothing much to it. One dowel pin over here that you guys got to get aligned, but after that, just throw in 2 bolts and there she goes. She's in. If you have stock downpipes, chances are when you lower your subframe and drop your transmission mount, your downpipes will come and hit the subframe, so it won't allow you to drop it as low as we have here. A trick to that is unbolting the power steering rack and
This guy's shaking it.
and loosening up the frame mount. So you can see we loosen it up quite a bit. Even though we don't have downpipes, it still gives us a lot more clearance just to drop this and
Oh yeah.
have the room. The 2 hardest bolts to get to are these up here. You can see, guys.
This is Erwin's transmission from his car.
These 2 are the hardest to get to just because they're in a really tight spot. The best way to just throw an extension up from back there and go all the way here and open them. They're going to be inverse torques, I think. E14.
Greasy, guys.
Yeah.
You actually doing this yourself. These are all the tips you're gonna need.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. It's really not too bad. Transmission's bolted up. He's just bolting up the subframe right now. We're gonna hook up the drive shaft.
That's the man.
That out, yeah. I'm gonna let you get roasted in the comments.
Shit mechanic just banging it in. That's the way we do it here.
I wonder why my car's having so many problems all the time.
You know we like the hammers out here.
Time to see clean fluid.
Tastes pretty good. Doesn't look.
What comes out of that one? More oil?
No, this is where you put the oil in. So basically what you guys want to do is get some sort of pump. If you're doing this in the car, you want to close this. You pump the oil into this port until it's coming out. When it's coming out, you know you've put enough in. It's around 2 liters for the GS653. So we got some red line. As long as it's an LT3 approved fluid, you're good.
Let's check out this homemade
Power steering pump. This is a power steering pump from a Yaris. Throw 2 hoses on it and put your drill on this side. High pressure pump.
And with this black hose, he's sucking the transmission oil from there through, what's it called again? The power steering in the Yaris. And it goes in through this tube right into the tranny. Really cool. Test ride, break in, car's moving, letting Erwin drive it because always complaining at me.
I just took it.
Guy took it right off the lift, guys. Didn't even let me.
You can't even give him a chance. When you give G a chance, he'll just take it.
How does it feel?
A lot better than the DKM, but stiffer. It feels like I don't think I could do a no lift with it. Like it's too stiff to no lift.
Really?
Man, I'm used to that clutch being like a.
Like
Oh, I
a
did
fat-
take out your CDV valve, so that might be why it's.
It's stiffer? We'll move.
I was in reverse.
Holy rookie! Easy.
Yo, it's been a while in the manual. Still smoother than you.
That was not smooth.
But you're used to a fucking DKM. Imagine you hopping in this. You'll
Yeah, I'll
be
be used to
Trust
it.
me.
You get the JB4. No pulls.
I'm not doing a pull. This is how you should shift.
That's how you shift.
Actually, yeah, that is how you shift. You're right.
That's how I shift. That downshift was nice. What is that?
That was a double.
When you don't rev it enough, you give it a little
That was
bit
a nice
more.
one. Come on, buddy.
Alright, it's smooth, alright. Take it easy, it's a brand new clutch. This guy's getting ready to go all the way, triple down.
Run all the way.
Yo, that my intercooler.
That downshift mid corner. Oh, buddy, it feels so nice. I'm telling you.
Alright, let me
What's that
feel.
noise? That's a throw bearing. What I'm saying is this clutch is worth the money.
You think it's gonna last?
Oh yeah. Like
I hear that.
Respects to
No
German
worries.
2J guys. Follow him on Instagram.
The Beamer's gonna be out soon.
There's his, guys. If you guys don't remember, he had the full bolt-on N54 with the 200,000 kilometer engine. He did spin a bearing.
No, man, I blew my head gasket.
Oh, he blew his head gasket. Sorry.
But she'll be back out stronger and better than ever.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video of us installing the XClutch twin disc. I'll get back to you guys. I'll keep you posted on my Instagram, and I'll try to put it on my YouTube of what happens with Vivid Racing and refunding me for my DKM twin disc. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been Dujo. I'm out. Peace.